So we're gonna play with some color today. I got this beautiful unit from Curlscurls. It is a half wig, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can do multiple styles with this one wig. It's a 3-in-1 baby, and we love a 3-in-1. Let me go run and get it. As I mentioned before, this is where the hair is from, Curlscurls. I have lots of super cute curly units, different colors, textures, but I decided to go with my natural texture today, so I got a 4C wig with a little bit of color. You guys see these beautiful highlights that are popping out. They're like very nice peekaboos. And then I'd say she's like a natural black. And then let me show you guys the construction. So as you can see, you have all the pins in the inside, and you have your drawstring. And the drawstring is very important because that's what's gonna allow the wig to be pretty much super versatile, and you can turn it into like anything. Let's take this off. I just washed my hair last night and I just put it in some little plaits. I didn't blow dry it or anything. Let's jump right into look number one. So this first look is going to be a just regular blend with the wig and my hair. So I'm gonna take out the plaits first, but I'm only taking out the first 2 rows for this style because you don't need to take out your whole head. And then we're gonna put a wig cap on the rest of it. So when you take this out as well, you're gonna kind of part off a section that's gonna be your leave out. You can make this as thin as possible. It does not have to be a lot of hair you leave out because it's just not really necessary for like half wig. So you just really want to put your edges out. But I just took this whole one out because I had to based on the way it was braided. Also, braiding your hair overnight is a great way to kind of stretch it to have it blend in with this texture. Like I mentioned before, the hair is 4C. So it does blend with my hair really, really well. So I didn't have to manipulate my hair, which I love.
Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you, baby, it's you.
When putting this wig on, you're gonna just throw it over your head and make sure you attach all the comb pieces. If the wig cap does not fit properly, use the drawstring and tighten the wig to your head. So I also went and blow dried it with a diffuser because the hair was still wet and I wanted it to have a very big fluffy look. But do you guys see this blend? It literally looks like it's growing from my scalp, and these are my curls. Like, this is so beautiful. So now for the second look, we're going to do a ponytail. You're going to have to remove all of your plaits because you're going to catch your hair in one.
Baby, it's you, it's you, it's you, it's you.
So once you got your hair caught up in one, and you can do this as a high pony or a low pony, honestly, the method is exactly the same. It's very, very easy. You're just going to pull the ponytail on, connect it, use your drawstring, and that is about it. It's so cute. I wouldn't recommend going on no roller coaster with it or doing anything crazy, but it's cute just for a dinner, just like a nice, slick back little. Okay, last but not least, we're going to be doing a half up, half down look, but with a bun at the top. So you're just going to pin
around the back, just attach it to like literally the pony and use your drawstring to tighten it. Once you've completed that, you're going to use your hair and some bobby pins and just wrap it around the bun. It is so simple.
That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.